know who's watching. And before we call in Chris Ramos to ask the final set of questions, acknowledge na natin yung music producer, ang overall producer ng iyong album, Mr. Rock Santos.
Thank you so much. Grabe. Alam niyo,
Ang nag-alalay sa'yo.
that's true. Alam niyo po lahat ng pinagdaanan namin during the recording at siya po ang naka-witness sa aking nakahiga sa
Baka
floor.
Rox can share a little bit. Rox, share ka naman. How was the... share mo naman yung naging process with Belle.
Go, sir!
Yee! Let's go!
Hello, good afternoon
Camera
everyone.
ready, oh.
No? Hindi
Go,
kasi
Rox.
actually nung sinet namin yung mga albums ni Belle, particularly this one. So, syempre tama si Sir Roxy Likikan na ang daming songs ang nag-submit kasi naghahanap ako ng songs, nag-gather ako ng songs, sabi ko, gagawa ng bagong album si Belle. So, lahat ng composer, they are all very excited to submit songs. So, yung nag-process na kami ng listening, medyo nahirapan si Belle kasi halos lahat, 'di ba, parang maganda siya tapos ang pipiliin lang is 5. So ayun, very happy ako dun sa mga napili ni Belle, napili ng team kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng lahat ng song. So pag narinig nila ito, ma-appreciate nila at makaka-relate sila sa mga messaging ng song. Ayan.
Thank you, Rox. Maraming salamat. And let's call na rin Jessa and Rox and Miko Del Rosario, please, of Rise, to please join for a photo with Belle. I-play nyo na yung buong biglaan. Charot lang. Yung snippets ulit, i-play daw natin ulit, Miss Franz. Ayan, ang ating mga, the team, kayo muna. Let's have a photo with the whole team. Katahimikan. Thank you to our producers. We'll have Solo Bell.